Now to the breaking news that we are following tonight. Several breaking news stories, all related to the Delphi murder case. So here's the latest. In just about an hour ago, the Indiana Supreme Court announced that it is reinstating Richard Allen's original defense team of attorneys.
Allen's charged with killing Abby Williams and Libby German nearly 7 years ago. 13 Investigates senior reporter Bob Segall was in the courtroom today.
And he joined us now live in studio tonight. And Bob, certainly did we expect to get a decision this soon today?
Definitely not, Ann. It's almost unheard of for the Supreme Court to issue a decision within hours of hearing oral arguments. Attorneys for Richard Allen asked the Supreme Court to do three things: reinstate Allen's original defense team that was kicked off the case, replace the judge with a new one, and set a speedy trial date. The High Court denied the request for a new judge. Judge Fran Gall will stay on as the special judge. The Supreme Court did not order the judge to set a trial date within 70 days, but the justices did order that Richard Allen should get his original public defenders back on the case. And they clearly foreshadowed their decision during today's court hearing.
The judge exceeded her jurisdiction and refused to accept Rick Allen's wishes.
Richard Allen's civil attorney told justices that Judge Fran Gall never should have removed defense attorneys Brad Rosie and Andrew Baldwin from the case. Those attorneys were in the front row listening to today's hearing, where an attorney for Judge Gall argued the judge acted well within her authority.
The trial court did not abuse the court's discretion.
But justices quickly jumped in with questions.
And how do we get this case back on?
And they questioned why the judge took the extraordinary step of removing the attorneys that Richard Allen wants defending him.
But where's the evidence in the record that they are constitutionally ineffective?
A judge has a very limited right to tell someone who their attorney can be.
Chief Justice Loretta Rush and other justices repeatedly questioned Judge Gall's attorneys about the impact of removing Allen's chosen defense team. And ultimately, the Chief Justice made it very clear which way she may be leaning.
He wants these attorneys. And so we're spinning and spinning and spinning on this, saying delay and this, but he wants these attorneys. There's not been these findings with regard to incompetence. There's a lot of words out there, but let him have his attorney. Get this case back. Let him have his attorneys. He wants to privately hire them. I'm really struggling with why he can't make that decision that that's in his best interest and get this case moving again.
Not only did the Supreme Court order that Rosie and Baldwin be reinstated, they also ordered that they be reinstated as paid public defenders. They had offered to represent Richard Allen for free if that needed to be the case. That will not be necessary. And just minutes ago, I received a response from Richard Allen's civil attorneys and his family. Attorney Kara Weinecke says, on behalf of Richard Allen, Mark Lehman and I are very pleased with the court's order today and with how quickly the court issued a decision. I spoke with Rick's wife earlier, and she is happy and relieved that Rick's attorneys have been reinstated. So, the big questions now: will those attorneys and Judge Gall be able to work together after everything that's happened? And will the trial date remain in October, or will it be moved up? Lots of questions. Stay tuned as this case continues to play out.
All important questions. Bob Segall, thank you. And